We've had Hugh Ross on the show, and
Mhm.
he
Yeah.
he brings up this issue of hypertime.
Yeah.
Perhaps God exists in a hypertime dimension,
Yeah.
and I just wanted to get your take on that. If that's so, in the first place, what do you think Hugh means by that? But beyond
Uh,
Hugh, if we take this literally, what would that entail? Like, could that be a plausible option for explaining God's relationship to time, that he exists in
mhm.
a literal hyper time dimension?
I don't think adding a second time dimension does anything to help. It simply kicks the problem upstairs, and then you've got to ask the same questions all over again. Is hypertime tensed or tenseless? Is it an A theory or B theory of time? Did it begin to exist, or is it infinite in the past? And the whole debate replays itself over in the hyper temporal dimension. So I think that the postulation of hypertime is metaphysically gratuitous, and it doesn't accomplish anything. It doesn't augment our explanatory power at all.